Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Lancer Sportback. Beyond its spacious cargo hold with 52.7 cubic feet of space and its sporty European-influenced styling, the Lancer Sportback offers all the great performance and safety features its respected family is known for, including 7 standard airbags. Who says roomy can't perform and look great too? And is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, remote trunk release, FWD, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.